I'm back. Well, I had somebody approach me last week and tell me, hey, Mr. Nethercott, can we go back and check out this one lesson? My students didn't quite get it. And so I thought about what that person said, and I tried to think about how I could make this more real and make people understand what's going on. Now, what happened was, as I said, volume is equal to length times width times height. Those three pieces give me what? Give me the itty bitty 3. Alright, they give me the itty bitty 3 because there's 3 pieces. But that last lesson, it was supposed to tell you and get you to see that 1 cubic centimeter was going to equal 1 milliliter, excuse me. All right, milliliter of the liquid. So what I want you to understand and get a grip of is this. See that cube right there? That's like this ice cubes right here. All right, I got some ice cubes in my little bowl here. All right, they're a solid, but they're not always going to stay a solid. Now, if I was magical and I was like, abracadabra, poof, whoa, hey, look. Oh, hey, so if I was able to take my ice cubes and then convert them into a liquid, and if you look, this is milliliters over here, so that's roughly going to equal, if I hold this thing the right way, 100 milliliters. So what we're talking about is being able to take our cube that is a solid and convert it into a liquid. So we look at it and we do the same normal stuff that we normally do. We say, hey, 2 times 3. We have these numbers and we say, okay, cool. That's going to be 2 times 3. That's 6 times 5. And then, so if 2 times 3 is 6, and then that turns into 6 times 5, and then that turns into 30, and then you'd see that as 30 cm to the itty bitty 3. Awesome! Well, I got this is what it is as a solid, okay? As a cube, okay? As solid cube, like the ice cubes. All right, now, abracadabra, we're going to change that into a liquid. And so we know, because of this rule right here, every cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. If this equals 30 cm to the itty bitty 3, then over here, this should be ml. Okay, these are milliliters. So if this is a 30 here, we're going to find our 30 over here, and we're going to shade it. Here. Okay, and you are done. That is just how simple that lesson was from last week. We need to remember that volume is length times width times height. Those are 3 pieces. So 3 pieces equal the itty bitty 3. And then, okay, the rule, 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. They're equal because if you remember when we talked about the metric system, we said, hey, King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk, and that the U stand for unit, and it could be gram, it could be meter, or it could be liter, and the numbers can be whatever they want, and you could change out those labels. And that's what we did. We changed out our labels. We had the same number, the number of 30 cm to the itty bitty 3 here is equal to 30 ml over here. Okay? Just like that.